Hello, this is Dennis Eaton. Today we're going to be doing a power steering service on this vehicle using the Steerclean 1000 Mighty by MotorVac machine and the Universal VS7 synthetic power steering service kit. Okay, we're going to start the service by filling the new fluid reservoir with VS7 Universal synthetic fluid. We just filled the new reservoir on the Steerclean 1000 with new VS7 Universal synthetic power steering fluid. We're going to start the service by hooking the machine up to a power source available on the vehicle. We're going to utilize the service wand on the Steerclean 1000. The longer tipped hose on the unit is the fill hose. We're going to be utilizing that to fill the reservoir with new fluid. The shorter hose is used to pull fluid. This is what will be removing the old fluid from the vehicle. One of the features of the Steerclean 1000 is the ability to use the handheld wand that will allow the technician to drain and fill using the wand in the power steering reservoir. We're going to start by evacuating the old power steering fluid from the power steering fluid reservoir. We're draining the old fluid out of the power steering reservoir. We're now going to remove the hoses from the power steering reservoir and fill with the VS7 power steering fluid cleaner. Now we're going to pour 4 ounces of the power steering fluid cleaner into the power steering reservoir. Now we're going to start the vehicle and turn the vehicle steering wheel lock to lock several times. Keep the vehicle running while performing the service. Reinsert the service hoses back into the vehicle power steering fluid reservoir. Now we'll perform the service. It's a good idea when the new fluid level is about halfway to get in the vehicle and turn the steering wheel lock to lock several times. An important tip when evacuating the fluid from the power steering pump, to not drain it to cause cavitation to the power steering pump, as it could cause severe damage to the power steering pump or the vehicle rack and pinion unit. At the end of the service, we're going to want to remove the used power steering fluid from the back of the unit and place it into an approved oil waste container. That completes the service.